So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to make game pass on Roblox. So guys, to create game pass, you have to go to roblox.com on your browser. So if you're using Android, you can use Chrome browser. Just tap on it, and once you enter Roblox, it will ask you to continue in browser. Just tap on it. So now once you here guys, you have to you have to tap on three dots to enable desktop side mode. So you have to use this desktop side. So just enable this. Once you enable the desktop side mode, you have to use this create option. Just tap on it. Now to create game pass guys, you have to be on create experience option. So just choose this image. Just tap on it. Now to create game pass, you have to tap on menu option here, this one. Just tap on it, and you have to choose from here associate items. Fine, just tap on it. Now you can see the option here, passes. So you have to choose this option first. So this is the passes tab. Just tap on it. Now your game passes will be listed here. So I have created already lots of game passes here. You can see, just tap on create a game pass, create a pass to create game pass. Just tap on it. Now you have to first of all upload the image here. Now enter the basically name of the game pass, and then you can enter the description, but it is not required. You can leave it as empty. So now let's upload the first image here. Let's upload this image, and now you can enter the name of the game pass. So let's do that. Test. I would write test, and now you can leave the description if you want. And now you have to tap on create pass option. Fine. So now your game pass has been created. Now you can see that it is now offset. So you can off sale. So now to set up for the sale, you have to enable for it for the sale. So you have to tap on the game pass to configure it. Now just tap on menu, 3 bar, and now just tap on sales option. Now you will see option here, item for sale. You have to enable this option. Once you enable, now you have to enter the price of the game pass. So I'm gonna enter 200, like 200 robux. So it will work as a donation button in please donate. Just tap on save changes, and your game pass has been created, and your game pass has been set up for the sale. Now you have to open the please donate, where you have to set up a stand and upload the and just list your game pass there. And if someone purchase your game pass from your stand, you will get 140 robux out of 200. Fine. So yeah, that's how it works. Hope you understood, and thanks for watching. Bye bye. And if you want to know how to set up for the sale, then you can go to, or you can watch my recent video how to play please donate on Roblox. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.